This is Susie looking for the 2-foot-long water moccasin that is hiding in the washing machine.
Oh, guys, go.
God bless her.
Go.
As soon as she runs into it, I'm running out screaming. It's always something.
Get out of here, guys. Go. Okay.
She's running water, trying to get the water moccasin to come back out into the main tub while checking behind the dryer to see if perhaps he's crawled out and moved there.
It's pretty nasty back here.
No snake?
Nope. Okay. Can you hand me the bottle?
Where?
Everybody.
Get him where?
Get away!
Come on, guys. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Get out of here!
Come on.
Move! It's coming! I'm coming!
I see it. I see it. Keep going. Don't come this way.
You the moccasin! Back! Back! I need your help!
Come here. Ah! What do you want me to do? Ain't shit I can do.
Just go!
Come on. Just get out of here with it. Go. Oh, I can't even look.
Get out of here! Get out of here! Get out of here!
Ah! Come on. Oliver, get over here. Oliver. Bobo. Did you lose him? Is he in the creek? So Susie captured a 2-foot-long water moccasin in the laundry room. Picked him up with the snake grippers and took him to the creek. I don't know what's in your book, but in my book, that's called heroic. Otherwise, I'd be selling the house. I didn't have the stomach to look at her.